Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the FVE indicator. All right, so just check the link in the description below to download the indicator. After you have done that, just proceed to your indicators folder for MT4 and paste the indicator file in there. All right, after you have done that, you head back to your navigator and just right click and refresh. Okay, after you have done that, you should find the FVE indicator. If you can't still find it, you might just have to restart your terminal. Okay, now just drag and drop the dynamic zones of FVE smooth. Okay, so that is it. You can see the customizable settings here, and then ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. So when using this indicator, you should pay attention to the crossover signals. When the green line crosses above the pink, you want to look out for buy opportunities on your chart. And also when the green line crosses below the pink, you want to look for sell opportunities on your chart. Okay, so the crossover for the buy signal should occur around the lower part of the indicator window, obviously, and ensure that you get confirmations, bullish confirmation patterns before executing your buy trade. In the case of a sell, you want to get bearish confirmation patterns before executing a sell trade, and of course the crossover should also occur around the upper part of the indicator window. All right, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable content on this channel. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.